I got a pretty large sum of money for PPP using trust, and it was direct deposited straight into the trust. The process was super simple. As far as PPP goes, just applying online. You know, you just fill out a quick application and you just submit a couple simple documents. The direct deposit amount might be backwards, but direct deposit of $256,000 for PPP, and that's straight into the trust. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I just wanted to show you guys the proof. You know, it was direct deposited into the trust account. So I mean, it's as simple as it gets. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys have the same success. Especially, you know, there's going to be more, I'm sure, COVID-19 type things coming down the pipeline, you know, for people to get money and large loans and stuff. So yeah, wish you guys the best, and hope you have the same level of success.